Hello guys, hope you are fine. In this video, I will show you how to download Bexchange application and how to use this application. First of all, let me clear one thing that if you want to transfer funds using this application, then you must have three things. First, Bexchange application. Second, login for this application, and the last one is MoMA number. MoMA number is a unique number that connects with your bank or your BNB address. Now I'm going to show you how to download this application. If you think that you can download it from your Google Play Store or any other website, then you are totally wrong. You can't download this application from any website or Google Play Store. But don't worry, I have a solution. I will give you this application with login details and mobile number. So just contact me on WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number is display on my screen and also display in my description. You can also contact me on my FB. So contact me as soon as possible. I will give you all tools with proper guidelines. Now I'm going to login this application with login details that I recently created. Now I'm going to put my login details here. So I successfully log in this application. Now you contact me for login and application. You just contact me on my WhatsApp number for this login and application. I will give you all tools with proper guidelines. Thank you. After logging in this application, you can easily withdraw your fund from Trust Wallet watch only address. I can show you some payment proofs for your satisfaction. Must see this payment proof. One of my client contacts me for this application and login. Then I gave him this application and login details with proper guidelines, and after that he will successfully withdraw funds from watch only address Trust Wallet. You can see these proofs for your satisfaction.